Introducing the OnePlus 15R in Mint Breeze, featuring 12GB of RAM and 256GB storage. It includes the world's first Snapdragon 8 Gen 5, a 7,400 mAh battery, personalized AI, and a game-changing 165Hz display. The OnePlus 15R has a strong reception, with a 4.4 out of 5 stars rating based on 294 reviews. Over 3,000 units were bought in the past month. Purchase the OnePlus 15R for 47,998 rupees, a 13% savings from the MRP of 54,999 rupees. It is available with a no-cost EMI option on HDFC Bank credit cards at 8,000 rupees per month for 6 months. Experience the lightning storm of benchmark-breaking power with the world's first Snapdragon 8 Gen 5, paired with LPDDR5X Ultra and UFS 4.1. Enjoy silky smooth 120 FPS gaming. The mint breeze color of the OnePlus 15R complements its powerful performance, delivering a smooth experience for every swipe and app launch. The OnePlus 15R features tri-chips for ultimate performance, including the Snapdragon 8 Gen 5, the OP Gaming Core engine, and dedicated Wi-Fi and touch response chips for ultra-low latency. Witness the impossibly smooth 165Hz display. This 1.5K flagship display is perfected for lightning-fast visuals that flow effortlessly. Power up with our largest ever 7,400 mAh battery. Bypass charging lets you keep gaming all the way to victory without powering down. Meet PlusMind, the world's first AI tool that works seamlessly with Gemini. It intelligently captures, organizes, and recalls everything you see, powered by OnePlus AI. The OnePlus 15R is backed by the industry's most complete IP ratings, including IP66, IP68, IP69, and IP69K, shrugging off dust storms and powerful water blasts. Capture ultra-clear photography with the Detail Max engine. Our advanced computational photography engine delivers pixel-perfect detail, expansive vistas, and crystal-clear portraits. Surf, stream, and repeat with the TUV Rhineland certified display. It reduces eye strain and flicker, offering great visuals from blazing daylight to midnight low of 1 nit. The OnePlus 15R offers flagship performance and smooth display, all-day power, and an intuitive experience. It features a versatile camera system with impressive selfie capabilities.